Hey everyone, Brompton Electric T Line marks a new milestone in the evolution of urban mobility. Designed and built in London, this next-generation folding e-bike represents the pinnacle of Brompton's craftsmanship and innovation, blending ultra-lightweight materials with advanced electric technology. It is being hailed as the lightest folding e-bike ever produced, weighing just 11.2 kilograms without the battery and 14.1 kilograms with it. Despite its minimal weight, it delivers impressive performance and practicality, ideal for commuters and city riders who demand both portability and power. At the heart of the electric T Line is Brompton's proprietary e-Motiq system, a newly engineered drive unit that brings smooth and responsive assistance to every ride. The 250-watt rear hub motor produces 24 Newton-meters of torque, plenty for navigating steep city streets or accelerating through traffic. The motor has been fine-tuned for quiet operation and efficient power delivery, complementing Brompton's reputation for refined ride quality. To make everyday riding even easier, Brompton includes both a start assist mode for getting up hills and a walk assist function that allows the bike to move at up to 6 kilometers per hour when you're pushing it alongside you. The electric T Line's 345 watt-hours removable battery is another standout feature. It attaches neatly to the front of the frame and can be detached in seconds for charging or lighter transport. On a single charge, the bike can cover up to 90 kilometers, depending on terrain and riding style, which makes it a capable choice for daily commuting and longer weekend rides. Brompton has also integrated smart connectivity features through its companion mobile app, allowing riders to access over-the-air firmware updates, monitor battery levels, and receive intelligent range forecasts based on real-world conditions. Beyond its performance, the craftsmanship of the electric T Line sets it apart. The frame is hand-built from titanium and carbon fiber, two materials chosen for their remarkable balance of strength and lightness. The result is an exceptionally durable yet agile e-bike that feels both premium and purpose-built for life in the city. As with all Bromptons, the folding mechanism is a core part of the experience. The T Line can be transformed from a fully functional electric bike into a compact, easy-to-carry package in under 20 seconds. This versatility means it can be carried onto public transport, stored under a desk, or tucked into tight urban spaces with ease. In addition to the bike itself, Brompton has expanded its range of accessories and luggage options specifically designed for the electric T Line. These include new electric-compatible bags and cases that integrate seamlessly with the frame and maintain the brand's signature attention to detail and functionality. The Brompton Electric T Line will be available for pre-order in Europe starting October 21st, with sales officially beginning through authorized Brompton dealers from October 28th. Pricing details have not yet been disclosed, but given its materials, engineering, and technology, it is expected to sit at the premium end of the folding e-bike market. In essence, the Brompton Electric T Line is more than just an upgrade. It is a redefinition of what a lightweight electric folding bike can be. It delivers an outstanding combination of power, portability, and craftsmanship, designed for riders who want the freedom of effortless urban travel without compromising on design or performance. Thank you for watching. I'm glad you watched this video to the end. Have a nice day, and God bless you.